Welcome. How are you, my little children? Hope you are happy and safe and healthy, trying to make origami with us today. So today I'm going to make something from traditional origami. It's a bird that we are making. So one day remember we made a bird called tsuru. So today we are going to make a flying tsuru bird, a bird that is flying. It's a bit hard compared to other days, but I want you to take help from your sisters or brothers or your parents. Now let's try and make it. So we are going to fold it in half, our square piece of paper like this, and then do the other side also in the same way. Open it up and then fold it in to make a triangle. Doing the same thing on the other side, and then slowly open it up to see all these folded lines. Then press it down to make a little square from that big square like this. Now I know you remember us making this earlier also. Now here's this flap becomes the wing. Now this corner comes to the middle. Now see, the opening side is to our side, the opening side of the paper. And then do the same thing on the other side. Fold it in like this. Now this upper little triangle, fold it down so you get the folding line. Now this is the hard part of the creation. Now hold it down and put your finger into the top flap, and can you see this little, put your finger in and then fold it in like this slowly, right? Put your finger in, hold it up like that, and then bring the two corners to the middle like this. Now we are folding it along the already prepared, already made folded lines. And now see, I'm going to straighten it out. Now it's folded properly. So then turn it around and do the same thing on the other side. This side comes and meets at the middle, the other side, like this. Right, now and this little flap, see, keep your finger on that middle line and then push in from the two sides. See, fold it into the very middle, push it in and to the very middle, and then slowly open the entire thing up like this. Now I know you all remember how to make this, but the harder part comes now. Now can you see this little triangle here, little flap? Now that's going to be his body. So we need to see, can you see that there are two pieces opening up here? So fold it down like this, fold this one down like that. Now open it up, and then the nakawari ori, remember the technique we learned? We are going to use that. So see, we folded it and we have that folding line there. There's a line there. Then open it up and then push it down while pressing from both sides. Again, I will show you. Now fold it in, fold that open flap, and then open it up and push it in, right? Push it in while bringing the two sides in like this. Now you can't see anything, just a triangle. Now open it up. Can you see there are two moving pieces in the middle, two moving flaps? Now that's So one is the tail and one is the face, and we make the face like this. But again, like the Nakawari Ori technique, we are going to use that to make it a better head. See the head. Then let's make the flaps or the wings, and the tsuru bird will be different to our earlier bird because of those. Now bring that down here, the corner here, and fold it in. Now see, this edge comes and meets this line here. Then slowly bring that edge back to the lower line there. Then the whole thing you have to fold down and do it like this. It's like a staircase. Can you see how it moves if you fold it like that? Now look at it on the other side also. Now don't get it mixed up. We are going to start the side where the head is. We have to fold it down, then go up, then meet the edge again by coming down, then bring the whole thing down and then fold it down again, fold it in like this, and then fold it back again. So now it will look like a staircase. See our tsuru bird. Beautiful wings. Wings have been opened up. The tsuru bird is flying, and it's not hard to make. Look at the wings and the tsuru bird, the beautiful bird. It's not hard. You have to try again and again. Watch closely, and then you can try and make this. I want you to try this without fail. Okay, now we are going to make more and more creations like this in the future. Subscribe to our channel and tell us what you would like us to make in the future. Stay safe and healthy. Goodbye.